This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Easiyo yogurt without the maker updated. First, gather powdered milk, starter sachet, a thermos or slow cooker, and a thermometer. Heat milk to the proper temp, cool slightly, stir in starter, then incubate at steady warmth for 6 to 12 hours. I will guide you through temp targets, texture checks, and quick fixes so your homemade Easiyo tastes great every time. Gathering the right ingredients and tools makes all the difference. Choose powdered milk type based on how rich you want the yogurt, then pick a starter with live cultures. Use a thermometer to aim for the ideal inoculation temperature and an insulated container or slow cooker to keep that warmth steady. I'll explain quantities, substitutions, and how to adapt common kitchen gear to mimic the Easiyo maker success. Follow this simple method for reliable results. Reconstitute powdered milk, heat to 82 degrees C to denature proteins, then cool to about 43 degrees C before adding the starter. Stir gently to distribute cultures, transfer to an insulated jar or thermos, and keep warm for 6 to 12 hours until set. Once set, refrigerate to firm up and mellow the tang. I'll share time checks and texture tips to help you get it just right.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.